One more interesting sum, quite interesting, children. You will be saying that sir says many number of times it's an interesting sum, but yes, sums are indeed. There are 37 terms in an AP. Okay, so I know the number of terms, 37. Sum of the three terms placed exactly at the middle is 225. These words are very important for we to do the sum. If we can understand these words, I think so we understand the entire sum. Very simple. The sum is very simple, mind you. If we understand these words. Let's read it entirely. There are 37 terms in an AP. The sum of the three terms placed exactly at the middle is 225 and the sum of the last three terms is 429. So I doubt that this statement will worry you, will bother you. No, this is going to help you out. We need to understand that one. Write the AP. When we say we want AP, we want A also, we want D also. And that is what our first lines. That is what our first line is going to be. What is the solution? Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. What next, children? What next? Now we should understand that line. What is it trying to say? Sum of three terms placed exactly in the middle. Now when they say sums being placed exactly at the middle, say for example, there are 5 terms in an AP. There are 5 terms in an AP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is the exact middle one? This one. Right? But now if I say the sum of 3 terms placed exactly at the middle. So when I say exactly at the middle is this one, the third one. But when I say sum of 3 terms placed exactly at the middle, that means I need to go one here. That is on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. And then I can say these are the 3 terms which are exactly at the middle. Because we have one more on the left hand side and we have one more on the right hand side. Children, are you getting me? Once again, if you want, I can make you understand. What if I say, if there are given to me, there are 5 terms. What is exactly the middle term? The third one. The third term is the middle term. Right? But now when if I concentrate on this, that 3 terms place exactly at the middle. 3 terms place exactly at the middle. So out of 5, if I were to find out 3 terms place exactly at the middle, not only I am going to take the midpoint, which is 3, I am going to go left hand side 1, right hand side 1, and I'll get, am I right? This is what you need to apply here. First of all, you need to get me the midpoint of 37. Sir, it's going to be in decimal, not in that way, the middle term. So how we get the middle term? Kindly pay attention. How we get the middle term, children? Kindly pay attention. There are 37 terms, which is an odd number, mind you. So those who have a knowledge of median, right? N is odd. So what is the median? Middle term. Middle term will be, middle term is going to be n plus 1 by tooth. So 17 plus 1 by tooth term. 38 by 2, 19th term. So what is the middle term then? Exactly middle term. Exactly middle term is 19th term, children. I hope you are getting it. I made you understand what happens if 5 terms are in AP. Now, if you are aware about median, you have done median in your lower classes. Then n is odd. So what is the formula? N plus 1 by tooth term. 19th term. Right? Now when I say, and moreover, if you want to cross check that it is 19th term, I can say, how many terms are ahead? Answer is 18. How many terms are going to be after 19th term? Answer is 18. So 18 after 19, 18 before 19, 18 plus 18, 36, and this fellow 37. That's what. Now are you getting it? Now they say 3 terms. So I just made you understand here. What are the 3 terms? 18th one, 19th one, 20th one. One term ahead, one term after that. So sum of the 3 terms, when they say sum of 3 terms plays exactly at the middle. So sum of 3 terms plays exactly at the middle are nothing but 18th term, 19th term and 20th term. So can I say T18 plus T19 plus T20 is what? 225. T18, T19, T20. What is T18? We are aware now. T18 is A plus 17D. T19, A plus 18D. A plus 19D. 225. How many A's? 1, 2, 3. 3A. 17, 18, 19. 18 3s are 54. 54D is 225. 3 common. A plus 18D. 225. Divide by 3. A plus 18D is, when you divide this by 3, answer what you get is 75. Answer what you get is 75. Right? What is the next one? Sum of the last 3 terms. So what are the last 3 terms? Total 37. So the last 3 terms are 35, 36, 37. Sum of last 3 terms, which is 35th, 36th and 37th term. Can I say T35 plus T36 plus T37? How much is it? 429. How much is T35? A plus 34D. How much is this? A plus 35D. A plus 36D is 429. Let me do it here. 3 A's. 3A plus 35 3s are 105. D is 429. Divide by 3 common. First of all, 3 common. 3 common. A plus 35D is 429. Divide by 3. A plus 35D is 429. I'm sorry. A plus 35D. Divide by 3. 143. A plus 18D is 75. A plus 143D. So let this be my equation number 1. Now I have made you understand in my previous videos. Though it's a simultaneous linear equation sum, I'm not going to take it as a simultaneous linear equation sum. What I'm going to do is A plus 35D will be written as A plus 18D plus 17D. 35 is 143. So what is A plus 18D? 75 plus 17D is 143. Subtract it. 17D is 143 minus 75. 17D is equals to 25 plus 43, 100. That's the reason I'm saying 25. 25 plus 43, 68. 17D is 68. Divide by 17. D is equals to 4. D equals to 4. Now we need to substitute D. Where? Which equation do you find it easy? Is it? Okay. Substitute D equals to 4 in equation 1. Substitute D equals to 4 in equation 1. A plus 18 into 4. A plus 18 into 4 is 75. 72. A plus 72 is 75. A equals to 3. I got A also, I got D also. Is my sum done? No, my sum is not done. They are asking me, hence find the AP. So let me find out the AP. Let me find out the AP here. What is that? T1 equals to A, which is 3. T2 equals to A plus D, which is 3 plus 4, 7. T3 is T2 plus D, which is 7 plus 4, 11. Therefore, the required AP is 3, 7, 11, dot, dot, dot. Right? What you had to keep in mind. What you had to keep in mind. This exactly at the middle. That was, a punchline of the question, the main line of the question. If you understand that, thereafter the sum is very, very simple. Right, children?